Understanding, Towing the Line, a guide to English expressions. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, towing the line. This expression is widely used in various contexts, and understanding its meaning can significantly enhance your English communication skills. So, let's explore what it means to toe the line, where this phrase comes from, and how you can use it in your conversations. Towing the line refers to the act of obeying or conforming to a rule or standard, often without any deviation. It implies compliance with guidelines, policies, or authority figures. When someone is towing the line, they are not challenging the status quo. Instead, they are adhering closely to what is expected of them. The phrase, towing the line, has its roots in several historical contexts. One common origin story dates back to naval practices, where sailors were required to stand with their toes touching a line during musters, ensuring order and discipline. Another origin is linked to sports, such as track and field or boxing, where athletes must keep their toes behind a starting line or within a designated space. These origins highlight the phrase's association with strict adherence to rules and order. Incorporating towing the line into your language can add depth and precision to your communication. Here are a few examples to illustrate its use. In the workplace, all employees are expected to toe the line when it comes to the company's code of conduct. In personal behavior, even though he likes to take risks, he's been towing the line at home to set a good example for his kids. In politics, the senator has been towing the line of the party's policy, despite some personal reservations. Using towing the line in sentences like these conveys a clear picture of conformity and compliance, useful in various discussions. Understanding and using expressions like towing the line can greatly enhance your English language skills. It's more than just vocabulary. It's about capturing the nuances of behavior, discipline, and conformity in a few words. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting phrase and that you feel more confident using it in your conversations. Until next time, keep exploring the richness of the English language.